So this is my old, actually, acquisition that's been sitting in pieces under the bed for years, actually, since the early 2000s. A little known fact about myself is that I like to collect dolls, and my collection's actually been thinned out over the years, but lately I've been rekindling, I guess is the word, trying to bring back some of these mid-century composition dolls that actually are my favorite. That would take us around 1940 to 1950. These are composition dolls. Anyway, this particular doll is an Effanbee little lady doll, and Shirley is her name, and she's in very good shape for a composition doll, in the sense that one of the problems they had with these dolls was crazing, and where there'd be cracks in the paint, and the not too much you could do about it, really. I mean, to bring it back. At least I haven't had much success in the little bit of time I spent doing that. Anyway, you can see here that she's got a couple fingers missing, and somebody painted her toes. On the one foot, this one down here, there's a little bit of scuffing where somebody attempted to fix it. What I'm working on right now is going to be to restring her and get her back together again. And what she really needs is this wig put back on. This is a human hair wig, actually, and it's very flimsy, and you can see there's bald spots where it's just disintegrated and fallen apart. I have been doing some research on wig making from human hair, and I think I'll probably go with mohair instead, because she is a very beautiful doll. If you look at her face, she's so cute. At least I think she's cute. Anyway, her let's see if we can. She's got brown eyes, and she's a young, like I said, little lady doll. And I've got to make a costume for her too, as well. But that'll come, and restring her, obviously. She needs more arms and legs to function, but that'll come. I think I'm going to do the wig first. And so I guess this is my little journey to doing that, why I'm documenting this, and we'll see how it goes. I'll get back with that, okay?